Okay guys, so I am at the mall. I'm about to run into the Gap for the kids and clothes, and then I'm probably gonna go to the beauty supply store. I need to take my laptop back. Well, I need to take my laptop to the Apple store so I can get it fixed, and I'm pushing it because it is probably like 4:30 and my appointment's at 5 o'clock, but they are in the same area, so I should be good. So I will talk to you guys when I leave the store. It's a clothing haul. So I'm just gonna show you guys a couple of things that we picked up for the kiddos from the mall. So my son loves these Gap sweatshirts. That's his favorite thing. So he picked up a black one, a blue one, and a gray one with the American flag on it. We also picked him up a couple more pairs of pants. So he got a couple more pairs of the sweatpants and a couple of pairs of the cargo pants. So that's what we picked up for my son, my oldest one, from the Gap. So moving on to my 3-year-old, he needed some more jeans, so I picked him up a couple pairs of jeans. He didn't have any gray ones, so I just picked him up a light color, these black pair, and I was so happy to find these blue sweatpants because I was trying to find them last time, but they didn't have a 3T, and my son is really small, so I'm glad I found that. And then I found this cute sweater. It was just so cute to me. And it was marked down for like $10.99. So I went and grabbed that, and I thought that it would probably go really, really good with those blue sweatpants as well, which I'm gonna point out here. So I thought they really went good together. Well, at least I think so. My son loves sharks and dinosaurs, so this sweatshirt, I was like, oh yes, I'm definitely gonna get that for him. My husband picked out this shirt for him. It says small, smart, and handsome. That just describes my little one, okay? Because he's so small, he's smart, and hello, he's handsome. So LJ picked out this dinosaur shirt, and like I said, my son loves dinosaurs, but I thought it would really go really, really good with those gray jeans. My husband also picked out this shirt because it just describes my little one personality. Okay, full steam ahead. Moving on to my youngest daughter, she does not like shopping. Like, she don't, and I just don't understand it. But anyway, I made her pick out something, okay? So she picked out that Gap sweatsuit, and at Old Navy, she picked out this tie-dye sweatsuit. I thought that was super cute. I was just glad she picked out something, okay? I picked out this outfit for her. It's just like this little white top, and grabbed her a couple more pairs of jeans because she needed some. And I found this cute cardigan. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Yes, I am that mom. I'll be in the store like, oh, this looks so cute on you. Maybe that's why she don't like shopping with me. But anyway, she picked out this cute little pullover sweater. It is so soft. And I was so happy, y'all. Like, oh, girl, you found something. Y'all, but we were rushing because I did have to go to the Apple store for my computer, like I said in the previous clip. But girl, I ended up missing my appointment. I didn't forget about this pandemic. Like, y'all know Apple, you make an appointment, you gonna be there for a while. So I'm like, oh, we got time. Girl, no, they turned my butt right around. But those are some things that I picked up for my daughter. A couple things that I picked up for myself. I picked up this white button down like long sleeve top. I picked up this Gap t-shirt. I have some pants that matches that color pink. I picked up these olive green cargo pants. Wait a minute, no girl, you're not on the cargo pants, you're on the leggings. Okay, I picked up a pair of leggings and a black pair because I love black and gray. Now here's the olive green cargo pants that I picked up. I'm gonna pair it with that white long sleeve shirt. I love olive green on myself. Now my favorite color is purple, honey, but I do love me a nice olive green. Okay, and I picked up these little flare out tank tops. Why did I say a pair? I picked up a couple of these flare out tank top t-shirts, and I thought it would look cute underneath that olive green small cardigan. I also picked up a white one of those tank tops too, and those are from the Gap. Now from Old Navy, I just grabbed me a pair of these jeans. I'm gonna pair it with that top from Old Navy, the green one and cream top, and the cardigan. I thought that'll look so cute. I just gotta find me some shoes, honey. Yes. Whoo, girl. Girl, I totally neglected this laundry. I'm gonna go ahead and start folding, get it started. Grab your popcorn and a snack because we're gonna be here for a while. Guys, I'm gonna start by separating everybody's things. I'm gonna separate my stuff, my husband's stuff, towels, sheets, the boys' stuff. My daughter usually do her own laundry, y'all. So I'm just gonna go ahead and separate that.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid?
All my new subscribers and my returning ones, hey girl, hey, thank you for clicking on this video. Go ahead and grab your laundry and fold along with me if you got it. Yeah, go ahead and get it. Go ahead, I'll wait.
Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know.
So y'all, I cannot fold laundry unless it's separated. I was talking to my bestie and she was like, what? What are you doing? And I was like, girl, I cannot fold the laundry unless everything is separated. Am I the only one that do that? So now I'm going to go ahead and get everything folded. And y'all, I was catching up on my show, Married to Huntsville. That is my show. If y'all watch, comment down below. But I'm going to go ahead and fold these things up so I can be done. Y'all, my son was having a moment this morning. I don't know what was going on with him. But do y'all children have moments where they just like wake up in the wrong mood? I don't know what was going on that morning, but he was going through it, honey.
Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Cause baby, I love you, yeah.
Shout out to my father in the background that straight video bombed my video. Girl, he realized that I was recording, stopped, paused, and kept walking. Gotta love your parents. So I finally got this printer. I've been trying to get this printer, y'all, for so long, and I finally was able to get it. So I purchased it off of Amazon. I used Amazon Prime. The printer was $89.99, which taxes and stuff, it came to $94, and I'm so excited about this, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it up, and I will see y'all in the next clip. Like I was saying, you guys, I needed a new office printer because I do homeschool my son, and with the kids being in virtual learning, we do a lot of printing. If you're looking for a cheap office printer, this printer is awesome. I've been using it and it is great. And I needed a printer that don't eat up a lot of ink, and girl, yes, this is the one. So moving on to dinner, tonight we were having Crockpot curry chicken, and I thought that I would go ahead and share the recipe with you guys. So what you're gonna need is 1 whole sweet potato chopped, and I'm gonna tell you why I'm doing this in 1 second. In this bowl, I have 2 whole golden potatoes, 2 stalks of celery chopped, 4 carrots chopped, and a half of red onion. You don't have to add a red onion, but that's what I'm doing. You're going to need some boneless, skinless chicken thighs, And I seasoned mine with 1 tablespoon of Jamaican curry powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and a teaspoon of ground turmeric. Then the best thing that I have came across, guys, is these Crockpot liner bags. Where have they been my whole life? Okay, these things are the truth. Save so much time on cleaning your crock pot. So in your liner bags, you're going to add a 1/2 cup of chicken broth and a tablespoon of better than bouillon seasoning, and I believe this is the roasted chicken flavor, and a tablespoon of minced garlic. So you're gonna get a saucepan boiling, and that's what I did here. I'm gonna add those sweet potatoes because I cannot stand peeling skin off a sweet potato. So this is the easiest way for me to do it. Okay, now you don't want to overcook these. You just want to get them soft enough to get the skin off, because remember, these sweet potatoes are going to go into your crock pot. Okay, and you don't want it to be super soft where it's falling apart. You want it to have some texture, but we're going to add those last. So what I have going here is my skillet. I have 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and I'm going to go ahead and add my veggies into my crock pot. I already added my chicken broth to save time. You want to get your veggies going while you are preparing and searing your chicken, because it's going to take a little while for those veggies to cut down. They're fresh veggies, so you want them to like cook down a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and sear my chicken on each side for about 15-20 minutes tops. Now you don't want to really cook your chicken all the way, because remember, your chicken is going to be going into your crock pot, but you don't want it to be falling apart either, because you're not trying to make a stew. You want your chicken to kind of be solid. So just go ahead and get that all cooked down, and I'm gonna let this get cooked down, and then I will come back and show you guys what to do next. So I'm going to go ahead and start adding the chicken to the crock pot. Now I did go ahead and sear it, like I said, for 15 to 20 minutes on each side. I'm also going to be adding in the broth as well. Okay, so now that the sweet potatoes have a good boil going over them, I'm going to go ahead and prepare to remove the skin. Using a fork and butter knife to remove the skin, I'm just going to take that butter knife and scrape along the skin to remove it. You're going to see exactly what I'm doing right here. Okay, so now that my veggies is cooked down and everything is cooked down, I'm going to go ahead and add in my sweet potatoes. Remember, you want to add your sweet potatoes in last. At this time, you also want to go ahead and taste your food to make sure if you need to add any more seasonings. I am going to be adding in some more ground pepper. You also want to go ahead and add a half a cup of flour or cornstarch if you want to use that. And the reason why we're doing this is because we want to thicken up that broth so we can have a nice curry gravy. Okay, and once you add that flour or cornstarch in, you want to give your pot a good stir so all of that flour or cornstarch can cook down into the broth. And I'm going to cover this and let that broth thicken up a little bit. I'm sorry I don't have a before shot or a clip of my family eating, but we inhaled that pot of curry chicken, okay? But I hope you try out the recipe. Thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, go ahead, girl. Give me a yarn ball emoji since I'm knitting up my socks down below. But I'm just gonna be relaxing, catching up on my show, and knitting and working on my socks. I was trying to watch a show with my husband, but he fell asleep. I'll catch y'all in my next one.